Welcome to our detailed review of the Midea Mini Light Dishwasher in sleek black. A game changer for compact living, this dishwasher promises efficiency and versatility. With no hookup required, a built-in water tank, and advanced cleaning options, it could be the perfect addition to your home. Let's dive into the details, including an unboxing segment to set the stage for what's inside the box. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing. The packaging of the Midea Countertop dishwasher is well thought out, ensuring all components are secure and easy to locate. Here's what we found inside the box. 1 Midea 17-inch portable dishwasher, 2 5-liter built-in water tank, 3 power cord, 4 drain hose, 5 dish rack and utensil holder, 6 user manual, 7 quick setup guide. Everything you need to get started is included, making the setup process seamless. The ultra-compact design is perfect for modern kitchens, studio, apartments, or RVs. Measuring just 17 inches, it fits neatly on any countertop while holding over 30 items, including plates up to 9.5 inches in diameter. The black finish adds a sophisticated touch, blending well with most kitchen aesthetics. 6 cleaning programs. Normal, perfect for everyday loads. Rapid, quick cleaning for lightly soiled dishes. Glass. Gentle care for delicate glassware. Air. Refresh. Extra drying to remove moisture and odors. The 5-liter built-in water tank eliminates the need for plumbing, allowing placement anywhere with access to a power outlet. 360-degree dual spray system ensures thorough cleaning by reaching every corner of the load. The dishwasher sterilizes effectively, offering peace of mind. Air refresh function. Post-wash air circulation keeps dishes fresh and dry, reducing the chances of bacterial growth. The Midea portable dishwasher lives up to its promises with stellar cleaning efficiency. The dual spray system and high-temperature wash ensure spotless dishes every time. The air refresh mode is a standout feature, especially in humid climates, where moisture often lingers in dishwashers. The noise level is also commendable, quiet enough to run during dinner parties or late at night without disturbing anyone. The full panel control interface is intuitive, with clear indicators for each function. The timer delay feature adds convenience, allowing you to schedule cycles to suit your routine. Adjustable shelves and foldable tines make organizing the load simple, whether washing larger plates or smaller utensils. Who is it for? This dishwasher is ideal for small households, students and apartment dwellers, RV enthusiasts, or those living in tiny homes. Anyone looking for an efficient, portable cleaning solution. The Midea 17-inch portable countertop dishwasher is an excellent blend of functionality, convenience, and style. Whether you're short on space or simply need a portable solution, this dishwasher delivers reliable performance with thoughtful features like air refresh and a high-temperature wash. For $309.99 with free shipping, this appliance offers great value. If you're ready to elevate your dishwashing game, the Midea Countertop dishwasher is worth considering. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.